going to tell you something. Sorry. So we just met each other. You don't know me from Adam, but other than what we spoke on the phone.
Correct.
I'm going to tell you something. One of my employees walked by the car and he goes, there's lifter noise. What are you talking about? Lifter means the injectors that are in the top end.
Okay.
I don't know that most people would catch it, but I did catch it. There's definitely an inherent, there's something on the upper top end of that motor where it's lower. There's no check engine light on. I'm just not going to be the right buyer for the car, and I didn't want to waste your time or whatever. I'd be closer to 50, and I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible because
No,
you could probably sell it to somebody else. They're not going to catch it. But we opened up the hood. We started listening a little bit, and I could, if you wanted to, I'm more than happy to tell you what I'm hearing. But lifters are the injectors.
I was saying none of this means anything to me.
But I don't want you to think I didn't want you to come all the way out here. I wanted to buy your car. It's a beautiful car, but everything's perfect about it. The problem is if I have to pull the motor or do lifters, we're talking $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. Unfortunately, I have to adjust my offer based on that. But again, what I'm concerned about, just to be full, is that ticking sound. I got to protect my place. But if you go take it to any other place, they may not hear it, and I'm not encouraging. It's just something we heard. And I'm sorry we couldn't do business on this one, and I never reject.